Hey everyone! Want to post in LinkedIn more often without spending hours writing? Today, let's use Copy AI's workflow feature to create a high quality post fast. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to log in the Copy AI and go to your dashboard. Then here, click the plus create new and select workflow. Then here, browse or search for a link in post workflow template if it's available, and open the workflow and follow the guided steps. In the input field or prompt box, you can describe your topic, audience, and style. Then put your example prompt. You need to be specific, detailed, and clear. Then click Run Workflow and let the Copy AI to generate multiple post options. Then you can now review, edit if needed, and copy the best one into LinkedIn. And that's it. With Copy AI's workflow, your LinkedIn content pipeline just got faster, smarter, and way easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.